Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pop-Up News. Today I come to you with a video about Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş. Before I move into my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and pressing the like button. Thank you and let's get into my video. Yağmur and Barış's path to marriage, although kept private, has captured the hearts of many, touching on the universal appeal of true love, the couple's dedication to each other, shown in their shared moments and mutual admiration, indicates a bond that goes beyond fame. Through subtle actions and expressed feelings, Baktaş and Yüksel have told a story of love that reveals the depth of their connection. Their upcoming marriage isn't just a celebration of their union, but also a testament to the strength of love that grows away from the public eye, fueled by sincerity and respect for each other. As supporters excitedly anticipate information regarding Baktaş and Yüksel's wedding, their union symbolizes more than just an occasion. It represents the honesty of their love, revealing a sneak peek into the private lives of individuals whose caring connections surpasses the allure of their work personas. Their upcoming wedding is a reminder that true love perseveres even in the midst of the public eye. This genuine connection resonates with an authenticity that captures hearts and inspires faith in the lasting power of heartfelt relationships. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.